swimming. I'm standing right there. I'm standing walking.
Okay, staying walking.
I love swimming.
You're gonna have to put your floats on next time because it's gonna be over your head.
When they put the water's gonna be right here.
You got to put your floats on then.
See, look right here. If the water comes right here, come right here and stand. If you come right here, come here.
What?
No. Yeah, it'll be to the top of your head.
Yeah, you
Yes, you got to put your floats on.
still need his floats.
Hey, Bella.
Bella, 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 Bella.
Bella, 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 Bella,
Bella,
Bella,
Bella, Bella. Come here, Bella. What are you doing? What are you doing?
She's on the
She's
float.
running away.
Bella, 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 Bella.
Bella, 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 Bella,
Bella.
Bella,
Bella, Bella, Bella, Bella, Bella,
Bella,
Bella.
Bella,
Now, Bella.
No, don't let her jump in the pool.
Bella.
She ain't gonna jump in the pool.
She will too. She almost did yesterday because Johnny kept flicking the water hose up and down. She
Don't
was
not-
about to jump in.
She is hyper.
Bella.
Bella, 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 Bella.
Oh my goodness.
Bella, Bella, Bella.
You should say it when a squirrel comes. Oh my goodness.
What?